Alrighty, Chris, here's your small block Ford, 427 cubic inch. The description is combinations. Got a set of our ass gas tanks on. Got the Edelbrock manifold, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Put rear sump oil pan on for you. March serpentine belt set. Make sure the alternator functions. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 523 foot-pound torque, peak torque 539, flat there. Peak horsepower 509, right at 500. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. What we'll do now is pull pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple things here. When you save your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card. It is full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have the engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. Got a QR code there. Taking some more tech stuff. Have a great day.